Would you let a robot trade your money through market chaos? No manual trades, no pauses, just pure automation. So I set 77 bots loose on 2 live accounts for 322 days, and one shot up 257% and the other made 148%. So I'm going to show you the exact strategy that made the most, the ones that lost, and what really happens when you trust robots with real cash. Here is my MetaTrader terminal. This account started at $1,000 and is currently up at $3,589. And I've had this one for a while. You can see my folder structure is based on year, month, day. So I have been slowly adding to this account over time. So in November 2025, I added these three strategies. In February 2026, 3 more strategies. This is the second account that I have. This one is up at $2,500 from $1,000. And this one also has a whole bunch of different expert advisors. I've got more timeframes on this one. I've got M30, H1, H4, a whole bunch of USD Japanese yen pairs, a whole bunch of gold. So a lot of different variety spread over the 2 accounts. Today, I'm trading a total of 77 strategies across both these accounts. Every few months, I do add a few more, especially since the balance has increased. I haven't really removed any. Initially, when I first started, in the first month or 2, I did remove about 10 because when I first started, I just used all the indicators, all the different blocks that were possible in the strategy crunch software, but I found out which ones don't really work. So I removed about 10 strategies. Ever since then, most of the original strategies are still there apart from the 10 that I removed. So they're just chugging along, doing their thing. I get a lot of questions from some of my students about when I pause my trading strategies, and honestly, I don't. The expert advisors trade all the time, regardless of the market. And the reason for that is because when I do my backtesting, I'm backtesting over 10, 20 years of data. I am not pausing when I'm doing my backtests for high impact news. So why would I treat live trading differently than my backtests? This is especially true for trend following strategies when one or a small handful of trades will make up most of the profits for the entire year. And if you miss out on that 1 or 2 trades, then you're missing out on the entire year's worth of profits. Here is a chart showing every single strategy and their net profit. On the x-axis, I've got the strategy name, and on the y-axis, I've got the net profit. So I've already ordered it by net profit, and we can see the strategy with the most profits made $1,462 over 40 trades, and it was trading the M30 on gold. The strategy that made the least money was also on gold on the M30 timeframe over 34 trades and made a loss of $1,050. But notice that the number of strategies that were losing is smaller and are making less losses than the winners, which is making a lot more, which is why this account is positive. And we've got a whole bunch of strategies in the middle that haven't made too much money or haven't lost too much money, possibly because these ones were added more recently. Now I've loaded up all my strategies from FX Blue into Quant Analyzer so we can check out some of the strategies. And I've already ordered it again by net profit. Let's take a look at the most profitable one over the past few months, making $1,462. It has been profitable from November, December, January, February, March, and April. And the equity chart has had a big, huge jump back in January 2026. Now it's making much slower profits. Overall, the stats for this one is pretty impressive with a winning percentage of 52%, and the average loss at $55 is smaller than the average win of $119. But that is the most profitable strategy. Let's go all the way down the bottom and take a look at the worst performer. So this one was trading sideways and then made a huge loss in January 2026, and it now is slowly losing money. So I will want to double check this one and see if the losses are in line with the historical backtest. When you've got so many different strategies, it's really useful to have a comparison of all the different strategies combined. So if I take a look at all the gold strategies together, I'm going to highlight and create a portfolio. And here you can see all the gold strategies combined made a net profit of $3,000, which we can see the overall stats here. Even though the winning percentage is at a 44%, only, the average win again is bigger than the average loss. And if we switch over to the equity chart, instead of portfolio only, we'll look at sub-equities only. So we can see looks like about just over 50% of the strategies were profitable and just under 50% of the strategies were losing. That is for gold. I do want to show you one more, which I find super interesting, which is the USD Japanese yen pair. So if I select this and go all the way up to the top, create portfolio again, and now see, this is a much different picture. Almost all the USD Japanese strategies are profits and making a lot of them. There are very few strategies over the past 11 months that are losing. So USD Japanese yen pair historically has been a really good performer for me, both in the backtest and in live trading as well. And if you pay attention to each one of these lines, you'll also notice that they start at different times. So my earliest strategy was back in June 2025, where I created about 2 strategies and I saw that they were doing pretty well. So I added one more strategy, and then back in August 2025, looks like I added potentially 5-6 more strategies, which all started about here, and a lot of them are also doing pretty well. A bunch more strategies were added in October 2025. So what I'm doing here is I'm seeing what works in my live trading account, not a demo, seeing what works and then leaning into what works and creating more and more strategies for currencies that are working. And all these strategies, I'm not creating them manually the hard way. What I'm doing is using my process of build, very thorough testing, verification, and finally live trading. This is something I teach in my community, so there will be a link down below if you want to join as well. Next, if I go ahead and select all my strategies and create portfolio, then now I can see all the strategies combined as if I had been trading them both in the one account. And you can see this made a total profit of $4,088 since June 2025, with 1, 2, and 3 losing months. The rest of the months are profitable. The average trade on all these strategies, trading the smallest lot size of 0.01 is $22, and the average win is $31, with a winning percentage of 47% over 1,666 trades. And the equity chart, you can see I started back in July 2025 with just a handful of strategies, and when I found ones that worked, in about August, I added a whole bunch more, and then I saw what works, and I added a lot more in October, which is why you're seeing a lot more volatility in the equity charts. And at this point here in January 2026, I had a lot of USD Japanese yen pair and gold because I was leaning into what works. Apart from that, I'm not really picking the strategies that I add to this account carefully. I'm just picking whatever I can, whatever comes out of my process, and adding them. That's why this huge jump up and this huge jump down is mostly caused by gold during its super high volatility period. The good thing about this account is even though we have ups and downs and drawdown periods, overall the account is trending up. And if we switch over to portfolio correlation, you can see there are quite a few strategies that have really high correlation. I've got a whole bunch of Aussie CAD that are correlated with about 5 other strategies. And if I go all the way down, you'll see a lot of correlation, especially in the gold and USD Japanese yen pairs, which I'm expecting. Oh, not too bad. So there are a whole bunch of high correlation in USD and gold that we can see. But overall, it's not too bad. I honestly was expecting much worse correlation. The worst ones here is 2 USD Japanese yen strategies and a handful of Aussie CAD. Because the one thing missing from this account is portfolio creation, where I create a more balanced portfolio that will achieve a much smoother equity curve. So watch this video next, where I show you a totally free method of creating balanced portfolios from any expert advisor on the MetaTrader platform.